how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw basically from Ghostbusters Afterlife. It's the mini Puff, the mini Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. It's a cute character, and that's pretty much it. All right. If you've seen that movie, let's get started. All right. Um, it's gonna be an 8-minute video, so it's gonna be really short. Stay all the way to the very end of the video, and you're gonna get the maximum kind of knowledge from it. That is all. Before I do that, let's get started, okay? Before I do that, hit the subscribe button if you like learning to draw things from movies or video games or cartoons. And all of it's 8 to 10 minutes. There's a few videos on here that are 15 minutes or more, but like 99% of videos on here are about 8 minutes. So it's simple and it's quick and it's something that you can learn relatively quickly, all right? So let's get going. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the head, and I'm going to have like a curve over here. Slight curve, go down for the side of the head. Up top, curve over here. For the top of the head. Same kind of curve on this side, downward. You curve it in a little bit. All right, so let's draw a line across here. So it looks like it's kind of like sitting right on top of other marshmallows. Let's find his little hat. One line here on this side, one line here on this side. And I'm going to draw a line, like a curved line across, because his hat's a marshmallow as well. Kind of. It's like a sailor hat. Curve along here. Curve along here on this side. And it's going to, we're going to connect those lines here at the top. Okay. Because the sailor hat, he's going to have a little tag sticking out, down, out, curve up. Okay. We're going to pull a curved line here for under the one eye. Curved line here for one of the other eyes. Up, curve, down. For one eye, up, curve, down for the other eye. And we're going to draw the dot right there for the pupil and iris kind of together. Dot over here, kind of a little bit cross-eyed. Going to go to the center here underneath and pull the upper curved part of the mouth. Line over here, the edge of the mouth, line over here, the edge of the mouth. Gonna go down here, curve underneath, pop up, up, open mouth. And I'm gonna fill that in. Go over here, out, down, for the side of the shoulders there, out, down. And let's find his body, okay? Curved, like not even curved, it's more of like straight line down the edge. And the real curve is going to come down here. Curve. A big U shape, kind of looks like a snowman. Go over here to the arm. Boom. One layer there. Boom. Another layer. Go over here. Curve up. And up here. Out. Down. For the hand. Round edge of the hand back. Down here. Boom, right here for the shoulder. Boom, shoulder here. Go to the bottom over here, curve underneath. Let's find this hand on this side, okay? He's gonna go up right here, that's his thumb. And then we're gonna draw a circle for one finger, two other circles for the other finger, okay? And then we're gonna find the palm, like so. Okay. Let's go to the legs. So what's the difference between him and the giant one, right? There was a giant Stay Puft Marshmallow Man in the old Ghostbusters. The biggest difference is that he's missing his neckerchief and stuff like that. He had the stuff on his neck as a giant one, but now that he's a little one, he doesn't really have that. So just gonna to make that clear, curve down for one leg, curve down for the other, curve on this side, and curve down here. We're gonna pull a line down for the rest of the foot, curve around, up, down over here, curve over here, up. Right on. And that's it. That is the entire design. You could maybe fill this part in here because it would be blue normally, but we're gonna make it, you know, more or less black and white. You can fill that in, and that's gonna make it look a little better. And sometimes what you can do is you can add, like right here, a line over here for eyebrows. But you don't really have to do that. It's not required, but there you go. That's a mini Puff from Ghostbusters Afterlife. Let me know if you have any requests for other drawings. If you enjoyed that, press that like. Absolutely hit that like, by the way. I should have said that earlier. It helps the channel out when you do that. It helps the algorithm. But if you really would like to help the channel for free, share the video with a friend. If you have a friend that likes this stuff, share it. Share the video with them. Or you can share it on any social media platform. If you press share on the bottom right-hand corner, or depending on if you're on desktop or not, press a share, and you can share it to Twitter or anything else you're logged into. That also helps as well. I want to thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Everybody's been super nice to me. Like, again, if you have any recommendations for future drawings, let me know. Otherwise, if you want to become a better artist, go check out the description, okay? And lastly, if you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments section. And, you know, I'm going to reply to every single person that does that, okay? Every single one of you. I will reply. Let me know. Say hi. I'll talk to you later. Remember, you're drawing next time to keep it simple and keep it easy, all right? See you later.